Hello, Carl Henry here. Did you know that it was only November of 2020 when Charles Hoskinson said these words?
It makes a lot of sense to set up a collection of community hubs, have the community run those hubs, and give them the resources that they need to be able to get things done. I would love to see Cardano hubs in every major population center and on every major continent, and I would love to see local Cardano community members grant funded to run these hubs.
And now, here we are.
Cardano Community Hubs.com Project Catalyst Fund 8 Closeout Report. Challenge: Scale up Cardano's community hubs. Project name: CardanoCommunityHubs.com worldwide.
During our Fund 8 activities, we have approached the delivery of our proposal in 3 phases. For full details, please see our 3 reports outlining our primary activities. Our overall mission was to bring new people into the Cardano community and have them open new Cardano wallets.
While completely rebuilding our primary website, following feedback from the community, and further research into our core demographic, we have incorporated systems to onboard new registered members while interfacing with our social media presence.
As our objective is to bring new people into the Cardano community, we have avoided the social media channels where the existing community are engaged. We have found that by using Facebook we have been able to identify and attract over 21,000 members into our page and group. We have been working with these members to convert them into registered members of our website.
This has resulted in us onboarding over 1,100 new registered members who have all opened mobile wallets by carrying out an airdrop of our Hubs token. We are also engaged with over 200 parties who are interested in establishing and operating Cardano hubs. We are also working with them to submit proposals to Project Catalyst in Fund 10 and 11.
Our activities will be ongoing and our registered members are increasing on a daily basis. We have proposals in Fund 9 to support a growing number of activities around the world, and we are also launching our operation as a DAO which through our Hubs token will develop a treasury specifically to support and fund new profitable Cardano community hubs.
We look forward to working within the Cardano community for many years to come, and building a community of hundreds of thousands of people in many towns, cities and continents around the world.
I'd like to thank you for watching our presentation, and I look forward to seeing you again very, very soon.